Hello scientists and welcome to another rather soggy Science Sunday experiment. Today I'm going to take this bag of water, poke these pencils through it and I'm not going to spill a drop. I bet you think I can't do it. I bet you I can. And if you'd like to have a go, you're going to need the following. A sealable plastic sandwich bag filled with water, some very sharp pencils, a tray or something similar to do the experiment over, and I think it's a good idea to have a towel on standby because this experiment could get a bit messy. In fact, I think it's a really good idea to ask a grown-up's permission before you have a go, and even better on a nice sunny day, why don't you try it outside? Well, without further ado, let's go. Bit nervous. First pencil. Well, no water's coming out yet. Shall I try another one? I bet it's going to burst now. Let's see. Oh my goodness. There are now 2 pencils stuck through the bag. Why isn't water gushing everywhere? Well, it's all to do with something called polymers. Polymers form lots of chains. Plastic is made of lots of polymers, and polymer chains are really flexible. That's why plastic is so bendy and moves so easily. When I poke these pencils through the plastic bag, I poke them through a polymer chain. And the plastic formed a sort of seal around the pencil, so none of the water escaped. Should we find out what happens when I take the pencils out? Let's see. Ah! Oh my goodness! Try it yourself, scientists. See if you can put the pencils through the bag. Oh, crikey. Professor Pickle, help me clean up.